Okay, so good morning, grade 7. So for today, we will be demonstrating how to use the Google Docs. Start tayo sa Google Docs. If you're familiar with Microsoft Word, this is almost the same, but this is under the application on the G Suite. So first, there are two ways to go to Google Docs. If you're using the laptop, if you're using a mobile phone or smartphone, it is already downloaded kasi I asked you to download it on your phone. So kapag ang gagamitin ay laptop, so you just click New Tab, then go Google Docs, enter, then click this. Then yan, makakarating kayo dito sa interface na. Go to Google Docs. Then, ayan, may mga format na kayo na pwedeng pagpilian. So, yan. So, you can click the blank if you want to start a new document on it by yourself. Then, yan. Ito yung parts na. So, dito nyo ilalagay yung file name. You start with the file name, about me. Yan. Then, pwede na kayo mag-type. Okay, my name is blah, blah, blah. So, tingnan na natin yung mga part. By the way, ang magandang feature dito sa Google Docs is every 5 seconds, automatically is nasa-save na yung document nyo. So, you don't need to click save as or save kasi automatically nagsisave na siya doon sa Google Drive nyo or yung storage nyo. So, ito yung file. Yan. File, if you want to email, kung gusto nyo i-download offline, yan, Microsoft Word, kung gusto nyo siya maging available offline. Edit, part view, insert, kung gusto nyo mag-insert ng table, ng image, or ng other characters. Format, naman yung tools, this other add-on. So, basically, nandito na naman lahat ng kailangan nyo sa pag-edit. Okay, so ito yung first way na pag-navigate. The second one is kapag may assignment kayo na kailangan nyo gumawa ng Google Docs or ng document, the easiest way, since nandun tayo sa Google Classroom, is to navigate it using the Google Classroom. So first, pumunta dun sa home room. Yan, so punta sa Classwork. So, yan. Dito kasi naglagay na ako ng sample activity. So, just click the assignment kung saan kailangan yung gumawa ng document, view assignment. Then, dito sa side na to, makikita nyo ay meron ng nakalagay na add or create. Yan, nakalagay dito, introduce yourself using Google Docs. First is, click the add or create. Kung meron na kayong file na ginawa offline, so pwede i-click nyo na lang yung file, then hanapin nyo at i-upload. Pero dito, ang ituturo ko is para paano nyo magagamit ang Google Docs sa paggawa ng document na ipapasa nyo kung meron kayong assignment dito. Okay, click the Google Docs. Yan. So, automatically may create na dito. Then, click it so you can edit it. Yan. So, ang una nyo gagawin is to change the file name. Kasi default siya nakalagay pangalan nyo. About me. So, yan. Meron na kayo. Next. So, you can now start mag-type kung gusto nyo. For example, for this activity, I want you to introduce yourself as fluent as possible. Kung gaano karami yung information na gusto nyo i-share is much better. So, my name is Colette Federico. I am 26 years old, currently residing at Bacoor City, Cavite. I graduated from, okay, ilagay nyo dito kung saan kayo graduate ng elementary. For example, Imos Pilot Elementary School. Then, my birth day is on June 21, 1984. Or I was born in June 21, 1994. So, yan. So, you can also add, after that, nasa sa inyo yan kung anong information ang gusto nyong i-share sa amin at sa mga classmate nyo. Then, after that is, you can insert picture. So, I want you to add picture. So, paano? Go to insert, click the image. Pwede kayong mag-upload from computer. So, sige, try natin. Upload from computer. I want you to add your own picture in here. So, ako, sinave ko siya sa desktop. So, ayan. Then, open. Yan. So, rotate natin. Okay. Size and rotation. Yan. So, paano yun ulit? Punta sa... So, paano i-rotate? Sige, ando natin para i-demo natin. Yan. So, yan yung picture. Right-click. Click this 3 button. Size and rotation. Then here, sa rotate, just click this. Yan. So, yan. Rotate na siya. Or, you can also, if you're using a phone, or kung may webcam naman siya, kung may webcam naman ng inyong laptop, so you can insert, image, camera. Smile, tingin sa camera. Then, insert. So, ayan. Diyan na siya. Can yan. So, meron na kayong picture. So, pili kayo kung gusto nyo dyan. So, I prefer this, So, pwede nyo rin siyang i-edit paano. So, you just select. So, ayan. Kung gusto nyo centered, ito yung alignment. Tapos, gusto rin natin i-center yung picture. Alignment. Yan. Ito yung alignment. Kung gusto natin nasa left, nasa center, nasa right, or justified. Sa font naman, kung gusto nyo baguhin yung style, here sa Arial. Yan. Gusto natin baguhin ang font style. Then, gusto natin mas malaki. Yan. Gusto nyo bold. Pwede rin italicize. And underline. So, kayo yung bahala. Pwede na rin baguhin yung color. Just click the A, then, yan. So, kayong bahala kung paano gusto nyo edit. Pero, ang pinaka-basic dito is I want you to learn how to use and how to submit assignment using Google Docs. So, how to submit it. First is you just click Turn In. Click Turn In. Yeah. Then, you just click Hand In. Don't forget to click the hand in para masabit. So, ayan. Na-add na siya. So, pwede nyo i-click yung About Me para ma-check nyo kung nandun ba yung details. So, importante na baguhin nyo yung file name para ma-identify nyo kung yun ba yung ginawa nyo or baka wala pang laman yan. So, yan. Then, you're done. Ganun lang po. Napasa nyo na.